Okay, so I might try to make just a little bit more room for you now that you know what we're doing here. Oops. Our whiteboard's a little dirty from our fundamental group experiment on Pi Day.
Alright.
I don't know why it got so dirty. Alright, are we on camera up there? Up here?
Yeah.
Okay, so there's our arrangement. So why don't we try to see how many we can just find just by playing around.
So, I'll put this one.
Well, yeah, let's just try to leave ourselves just a little bit more room so we know that here's our original starting one.
So, we can start with this.
Well, we could also... the red one... No, we start the red one here and the yellow one here.
Okay.
And then are there any more that start with a black one? Well, if we had the black and the yellow, then we have to have the red here and the blue there. So these are all the ones that start with a black.
Okay, that's fascinating. So, what happened on here when you started with the black? What did you learn?
When you start with the black, you can choose three different colors you can choose from.
Okay.
And the rest is forced.
The rest was forced. Okay. Interesting.
So that might mean there are going to be 3 for each color you can start with. Oh, that's 3 colors.
Maybe. Yeah.
Just see if we can find them.
Well, now we have to start with the yellow. So
Wait, tell you what, why don't we kind of smush these together a little more and then put these starting with the yellow over here. Maybe this will work, but it'll at least give us room to compare down. All right, so start with the yellow.
I think we'll 3. So you can go yellow, you can go red, and the blue has to go at the end, and the black can go here.
All right, so that was forced.
Let's start with the blue. Then you're not forced here actually.
Oh, interesting. Okay.
So you can do this.
Or you could have the other arrangement.
So you could have that.
All right.
So it's
But I noticed that the yellow, you can't start with the black. You can't do yellow black.
Ah, you can't do yellow black, so it turned out there were also 3 anyway.
But in a different way.
In a different way, okay. Okay, so sorry for the jump there. We actually our camera memory ran out of space, but you guys, while I was fixing the camera memory, you finished up here. So how many did you find?
So there were indeed 9.
There were 9. Was it for the reason you thought?
No.
Okay.
It's so these 2 cases are sort of the same.
All right. Oh, so the case we did initially was actually the odd one out.
Yeah.
Okay. And what was the same about these last 2 cases?
Well, it's the same in that there's 2 cases that have the yellow, the one color, this is their start color, and then this color.
Mm-hmm.
So you have that in both of them.
Okay. And what do you think? What did you learn by counting these out?
Well, I noticed that both of these 2 cases had ones that started with 2 of the same color and 1 with a different color.
Mm-hmm.
In both of them, but on this one they're all different.
Okay. Oh, interesting. I see.
So none of them, in this case, ever ended with yellow because the yellow's at the end here.
Uh-huh.
And when you started with yellow, you could do blue, black, and red.
Right.
And those, you couldn't ever do 3 different ones before because they would have in the same, the yellows would be in the same position.
Okay, nice. That's a great thing to notice. Okay, so we talked about the problem a little bit initially. Now we've made the 9 cases. Now let's see if we can count them the way you were suggesting we try to count them, okay?
Alright. Okay.